All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about YouTuber problems. A little background. I batch film my videos normally on Thursday nights. I stay late at the shop, have some dinner, shoot my videos after traffic dies down, and make my videos. Well, this week, my wife was flying out to San Antonio to visit her family on Thursday, so had to pull my video back to Wednesday. Had to work a little faster on my show prep, but not a big deal. Now, Wednesday's also when Eric O goes live, and I am one of the moderators on his live stream. Shop closes, I sit down, I start moderating his comments, making sure everybody's doing good. There wasn't much to moderate. Everybody was staying good. Nobody was being stupid, so thanks for that. Got done with that, went, had some dinner, came back to the shop, fired up my camera, no memory card. Yep, no memory card in my camera, no memory card in my audio recorder. Headed over to the Best Buy, and unfortunately it was closed. The local Target did not have a high-speed memory card because I have to have high speed because I'm recording in 4K. And I don't want my files corrupted because I'm trying to record 4K on a slow card. So I basically had to can recording on Wednesday. So here it is, Friday, and I'm recording videos for you guys. And I appreciate you guys watching, by the way. But, you know, I know it's kind of stupid and petty, but it kind of sucks because it's Friday night and I'm sitting here recording videos. I'm not upset about it. It's just one of those moments. You know, the whole night's shot because you forgot 2 little pieces of memory cards. Just a little day in the life of a YouTuber. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, I don't know why you would. Subscribe, hit that bell notification. If you didn't like the video, and I don't blame you if you didn't, give me a thumbs down. Comments, I'm sure I'm going to get a few. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.